Microsoft is a great tool to handle tons of data. But when you have so many data to find specific data quickly, but if you take an example, a thousand of salespersons is there, okay, for a particular month in Excel, but you have decided to give the bonus, whatever item they have sold more than $2,000. Okay, so so it will take a considerable time because you have to check the item numbers and the amount they have sold. Okay, okay. So if you give the conditional formatting will help you to work on easily. Okay. Like this, I have seen that how much dollar who will eligible for the bonus. They have automatically using a conditional formattings we have given. If you change anything, then it will be also change. I hope that you are understand the conditional formatting. Now we will look on the examples. So under the home tab, if you have options, that is a conditional formatting. Okay, and this it is present in conditional formatting is also the same option is present in 2007 and 2010. Okay, so there are few options that are highlighted cell, top or bottom rules, data bars, color scale, icon sets. Then there is a new rule. Okay, then clear the rule. If you applied any rule, then you can manage rules. Okay, now we will talk on a highlight cells. Okay, if you select, okay, use I have written some data with students and the papers is there. Okay, so upon this table we will work. Okay, we will click highlights and then we will select the greater than conditions. Okay, so greater than what should be the value. You see, get dialog box will open, and here you can give a value. Suppose it can be more than 50, more than 80, more than 90, whatever your condition it is given. And there is a color option is also the right red and with that you can choose other options are also there. Okay, so 27 here. In case of paper one, since I have chosen the greater than 27, so only coming 73, 94, and 79. Okay, next try with the another options over here. Okay, highlight cells, then we will condition on less than we will checking. Okay, second paper we are choosing the 20 value, and here I will choose the yellow fill. Okay, and you click on the yellow and see the color changing. Now for the paper 3 column I will select whole, then highlight a cell. Okay, then between options we have selected, so which range to which range, initial to started we have 22 to 90 we have selected, and we should select another color, that is green color. Okay, now check which is comes in the range they have selected. Okay, again I highlight the cell. Next, equal to. Okay, here equal to 35 only I have given, and I have need to check the light red fill. Okay, okay, only the right red fill is there, text color have not changed, so there are many options. Now check for another one, highlight cell. Now we will select on the duplicate values. Okay, so duplicate value we have chosen only the red text. Okay, click OK. So see, 26, 26, 26, these are all the duplicates value. Okay, highlight cell again it is a text. Okay, contain the text, format the cell. Okay, fail, so you select the fail and it will select you the only fails option. Okay, now conditional formula again, highlights dates. Okay, days counting ring. Okay, last 7 days, and you can fill the color with anything, yellow, dark with yellow. You can choose any color, there is no restriction is there. Okay, in this way, this is how you can making the use of a conditional permanent highlight rules. Okay, you can change it also. Okay, data range, then you can select manage rule, and under this rules, whatever rules here, format mat. Okay. Color format cell group. Okay. Formats, number formatting, font, border, fill. Okay. Choose some example. I'm choosing fill color green. Okay. And luckily make it green, as a green. Okay. Now there is a top and bottom rule. Okay. We select the cell. Okay. The top and bottom rule. Then top 10 items. Okay. 10 items instead of you can 20, whatever. Okay. Top 4 items, top 3 items. Okay. And now we will check changing the color also. Okay. We will highlight the text. Top 3 numbers. Okay. Now for the paper 2, I'm going selected the whole range. Then top rules, that is top percent. Okay. That ranked on the top. Okay. Again, it's top 10%. Next, for the paper 3, I have selected whole range under conditional formality, top and bottom rule. Then is bottom 10 item we will choose. And instead of 10, I am using 3. Okay. And then we can click OK. Okay. Now you can see the bottom 3. Now we will top to bottom rule, then bottom 10%. Okay. Now you can select this one. Now, another data range, then we will above the average. Okay. Another color, fill green. Okay. Above the average, you can see. Okay. Now for the paper 6, condition formatting, and then that is below the average. Okay. Below the average. So we have chosen the below average one. Okay. Below average one also chosen. This is going to top and bottom. Now we will talk about data bars. Okay. Select this particular cell. Okay. Next, we will click on the data bars options. You can select it. Okay. Data bars and another color is there. You can give it. Okay. Now again data bar. Okay. Again data bar, any other colors. You can choose whatever color you want. Okay. We have seen. Okay. You have seen this one that we can change the color. Okay. Okay, for the 67, 92, 12, 86. Now, conditional formatting, manager rule. Okay, so under data bars, it's there. Okay, and the show only the bars. Okay, if you choose. Okay, next you can bar color, you can choose. Okay, or click on OK and okay. So, see, it only showing the bar instead of takes the numbers. Okay, next is the color scale. Okay, the color of the cell will be assigned based on these values. Okay, now how to do it? Okay, condition affirmative, color scale, green yellow. Okay, the scales, if you click on the values towards the largest numbers are darker green, and numbers which is towards the lowest, however, the darker red. Okay, average values will have different flavors of yellows. Okay, there is icon sets. Okay, so similar to color scale, icons will be assigned to a cell based on the numbers. Okay, let's try one of them. Icon set is there. Green upper arrow is assigned to a cell which is have a larger number. Okay, yellow sidewise arrow is for average numbers. Red one down arrow is for lower numbers. Okay. Bravo. So that's why all the numbers is there was no average number. That's why only green and red is showing. Okay. So I'm trying to run with the paper two only. Condition of formatting I can set. Okay, with the flag. Okay, you can choose any other options. You can choose the, you can select, you can choose different icons only to get a view of how it's working. Okay, now another one. This is all about this. I can set and today's tutorial. Thank you, student.